They didn't just kill her, they cooked her. February 21st, 2023, Hong Kong supermodel Abby Choi, 28, goes missing. Police find her luxury apartment untouched, bags packed, phone silent. 3 days later, investigators make a horrifying discovery. Her dismembered remains found in a village house, a soup pot on the stove, a meat grinder nearby. The suspects? Her ex-husband's entire family, father, brother, mother. The motive? A bitter dispute over a luxury apartment worth millions. The people she once called family destroyed her for property. The ones closest to you can be the most dangerous. I'm Aishu Krishnan from Crime Chronicle. Stay alert, stay vigilant.